the jail phone. I can give you meth for my deposit. I hung up the phone and never heard from them again. Well, that is the awful experience that I had with the worst who thought they deserved the best. And you know guys, in life, one thing that I really noticed is that often, more often than not I would say, criminals are the people that know the law the best. A perfect fitting example is the awful boyfriend in the story who lets his poor elderly mom move in just so OP cannot evict them and kick them out. Have you ever noticed something similar in your life? Let me know. Also, in addition, if you enjoy the neighbor stories, please don't forget to like the video and post some star emojis in the comments if you want to support me. Thank you so much in advance. And the next one is titled, My Driveway Does Not Belong to You. About 3 months ago, we had some new neighbors move in and they started a daycare out of their home. The kids really haven't been as much of an issue as I was expecting, aside from some occasional noise. The parents on the other hand, oh god, the parents. It started with this one dude, let's call him Jim. Jim liked to park in our driveway, not really an issue at first, he was usually only there for a few minutes and my housemate works in the mornings so his car is not there. However, housemate switched to evening shifts about a month in and his beat-up Crown Vic proudly took up his half of the driveway. Jim did not like this. No, he did not. There was a Crown Vic in his parking spot. So he honked and he honked, made lots of noise, much to the shame of his 2 young boys. Now, me, not being insane, went outside to go see who was honking out front of our house at 8 AM. Cue this exchange. Jim, you're in my spot. Me? This is my driveway? You can park in the street if you need to drop off your kids. Don't tell me what to do. Move your car. You're in my spot. Me, alright, hold on. My keys are inside. At this point, I went inside and told my housemate what was going on, since he had literally stumbled out into the living room in naught but his tartan pants to see what all the ruckus was about. About a minute went by and Jim, the patient and considerate soul he was, began honking again. Housemate and I decided to ignore him and make oatmeal. After a while the honking stopped and we assumed that was that. Oh, how wrong we were. 2 days go by with no sign of Jim. Our neighbors brought us an apology pie, which was delicious. They had apparently told him not to park in our driveway when he had started doing it, but he told them we said it was fine. We had never talked to him before the first incident. Day 3, I am again awoken by the delightful noise of honking. I look outside, it is Jim. My neighbors come outside and start talking to him. He is still honking. The kids see what is about to happen. Exit stage left. I come outside along with housemate who is again in only tartan pants. Jim, you need to get out of my spot. Housemate, nope, not today crazy. Jim keeps on honking. Housemate, I'm gonna call the cops OP. Me, tell them to bring a straight jacket and a fancy padded van and maybe a tow truck. Jim, your pants make you look like an F-word. Housemate, only when I'm sucking D. At this point Jim had at least stopped honking. You would think he was trying to seduce a goose. He flipped us off and drove away, which was hysterical since we live in a cul-de-sac and we had to do an awkward 3-point turn before leaving. The police sent a squad car and we gave them what information we had, and they also talked to the neighbors as well as doing a wellness check on Jim's kids who mostly just seemed embarrassed. They offered to send someone out the next morning and we agreed since we were tired of the noise. Side note, the officer said my housemate's pants were pretty sweet. The next day Jim showed up in his ugly sedan. He sat in his car and the honking began again. But this time, what joy, justice prevailed. Jim got arrested and now has to pay bail. Turns out he had a warrant out for his arrest for something else. I heard he assaulted a cashier or something, but I'm not sure how true that is. Mom picked the kids up from daycare and she did not demand to park in our driveway. We have not seen them since. I know he is out of jail since the cops told us to call them if he shows up and does his goose impression again, but so far no sign of him. And the next one is the title story, and it is titled, Taking Down Queen Karen, President of the HOA. Okay, this happened years ago, 1985 to be exact. I was 45 when this happened, I am 81 now. So after my second retirement, I started doing property management. I bought this 2,500 square foot luxury home in with the sole intention of renting it out. Now, I didn't know how bad the HOA was, but when I became the